Hi there, Dustin. How are you? Are you looking at the kitty? Are you looking at the kitty? This is Dustin, and he is just a charmer. He is a very active, very playful, very social kitten who is available at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society. He was in foster care with one of our volunteers, and that pretty much assures you that the cat was taken well care of, and he was introduced to other cats and to probably lots of people, and he is just waiting now to find his forever home. If you'd like to adopt Dustin, he is available at Noah's Kingdom Humane Society, and right now he's making friends with some of the other long-timers here at the shelter. We have our famous Grayson, who Grayson loves me, and I love Grayson. Here we have Grayson, who wants some attention, and some of our other cats who are all here at our no-kill shelter awaiting their forever home. Thanks for watching.